Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Tracy Sigler, and this is the second week of management modules in the MBA Essentials 1 class. So this week, we're going to be looking at individuals, so learning more about yourself. The last week, we looked at the organization level, the team level, so now we're looking at individual level. And the first module, 9 here, is to help you learn more about yourself. So self-assessment in the next modules. Emotional intelligence is really key to being an effective leader. And so first of all, I've asked you to go take the Kolb Learning Styles Inventory online, read about and take the survey for the VIA character strengths. Then there's a discussion for the Learning Styles Inventory, some information about strengths in general, a strengths-based approach. For a long time, in leadership, we tried to focus on what was wrong and to make it better. And now there's a whole new effort to have people focus on their strengths, because effort you put into further developing a strength is going to get you further than focusing that same amount of time on a weakness. So certainly you need to be good enough in all areas of your job and all areas of leadership, but focusing on your strengths should be more effective and should be more enjoyable for you too. So the discussion is on the learning style inventory. So post your style, share it with others, and respond to a couple other posts. So learn about people who aren't like you. And then the written assignment is to take the VIA. It's a free assessment. And have your family and friends take it and analyze and assess yourself based on those results. And the second module is looking at emotional intelligence. So that's my background in terms of leadership development. I taught in a leadership program for 10 plus years, taught and developed, all based on emotional intelligence. So there's a reading here from Daniel Goleman, who's one of the originators of emotional intelligence. I found it through the college library database system, so I posted it there for you, along with some videos related to and expanding on the concept of emotional intelligence. So first, for the discussion, I've asked you to find some examples of emotional intelligence competency, one being used well, one being used poorly, and explain your example and share that with each other and comment on at least 2 other posts. And then your individual assignment is to assess yourself on emotional intelligence. So I've provided a table here that kind of summarizes the different competencies in the 4 different categories. I've asked you to select 3 competencies you think you're good at, your strengths, and give an example, and then 3 competencies that you'd like to improve and to develop an action plan for those. So I look forward to reading your posts this week, and I will start grading the posts from last week. Let me know if you have any questions.